large XRP influx from exchanges opens way for $47.56 per XRP in the short term. The XRP community is going crazy over two massive transactions that were recorded by crypto data tracker Whale Alert, which involved the transfer of 45 million XRP tokens to major cryptocurrency exchanges. This inflow occurs while XRP is seeing substantial price action with a quick 5 increase in worth. A lot of people, including investors and XRP lovers, are curious about the recent price increase of the cryptocurrency and have begun to speculate that it could go up even further in the near future. Market dynamics are set to become potentially volatile as a result of the big influx of XRP into exchanges, which might lead to short-term price adjustments. There's been a recent deluge of XRP tokens into exchanges, which has stoked speculation among investors about possible short-term price swings. Projects are capitalizing on these market dynamics to provide one-of-a-kind chances to create value and passive income within the XRP ecosystem. Investors can gain a competitive edge by keeping up with the latest news and investigating new investing opportunities in the virtual market. Ripple CEO expresses concern over losing the war against Ethereum and criticizes SEC's legal challenges. The chief executive officer of Ripple has spoken out against the actions of the Securities and Exchange Commission regarding Ethereum, expressing concern that Ripple may be unable to compete with the debate over Ethereum's legal status as a security may slow down the process of approving spot ETFs. Concerned that the SEC's current strategy would limit American innovation and worldwide competitiveness, Garlinghouse has issued a warning. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has taken aim at the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, voicing his disdain of the SEC's continuing legal battle and warning of potential losses in the dispute with Ethereum. But the ad's primary placement, the difficulties faced by Caden Court of the Securities and Exchange Commission, and conflicts with other regulators like the CFDFA are all factors in this. Garlinghouse exposed regulators due to its inferior position compared to outside. In a recent tweet, Garlinghouse expressed his disdain of the Securities and Exchange Commission, taking a hard stance against Ethereum and other participants in the market. This was followed by a recent judicial defeat for the SEC. The SEC has been severely disadvantaged, he said, because to recent judicial rulings, the Securities and Exchange Commission's recent subpoenas to U.S. firms as part of their investigation into Ethereum suggests that the agency may launch a regulatory campaign to classify the cryptocurrency as a security. In this context, Garlinghouse's tweet appeared. Another example of the administration's hard stance is the request for financial records and documents from the Ethereum Foundation, a Swiss-based organization from the Securities and Exchange Commission. This request is similar to Ripple's victory in the XRP case, where Ripple successfully sued the SEC. According to Garlinghouse, the SEC risks losing credibility and authority in the cryptocurrency industry if it does not adopt the Ethereum methodology. Using Ripple's triumph in the Bitcoin case as an example, Garlinghouse issued this warning: Ethereum could hold investment value. The investigation provides new information on the long-running debate over whether or not Ether is a security. Many in the industry are opposed to the idea that Ether may be brought under the authority of the SEC if this were to be officially recognized. If this new revelation puts this year's Ethereum exchange-traded funds approval deadline at risk, the Securities and Exchange Commission has stated that they will approve such product. Despite the approval of 11 spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in January, Ethereum's future is cast in doubt by the SEC's new regulatory action, conflict with several regulating bodies. In addition, Garlinghouse clarified the growing involvement of other regulatory bodies such as the SFDFDAS and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Concerns about the financial system's stability and the transparency of the legislation have grown in response to this upsurge. Also, according to Garlinghouse, the United States could see a slowdown in investment and innovation if the SEC takes a hard stance, which would hurt international competitiveness. The symmetrical triangle formed by XRP's trading pattern relative to Bitcoin suggests a bullish breakout is probable on the long-term chart. Milky Bull's charts show that XRP is gaining strength as it rallies against Bitcoin, which could mean that the market has hit bottom. It remains unchanged regardless of fluctuations in the cryptocurrency market. Experts have concluded that the rising value of XRP, when coupled with Bitcoin, points to a positive trend. Anyone keeping tabs on the ever-changing landscape of cryptocurrency trading has picked up on anything out of the ordinary. It appears that XRP is outpacing Bitcoin in terms of momentum. According to this data, which was supplied by technical analyst Milky Bull, a major change is set to occur in the market dynamics of these digital currencies. Predictions of future market moves using technical analysis sometimes rely on patterns seen in chart, making an XR price chart look like a symmetrical triangle in the recent XRP actions. Shay has been the main focus. The most popular interpretation is that this arrangement indicates a consolidation phase. During this period, the asset's price goes through lower highs and higher lows before eventually settling into a pattern that typically precedes a significant price change. Because it would allow anyone to look at the code, he believed the GitLab connection was crucial. This action implies that the community might have a hand in improving the bot's abilities down the road. David Schwartz is testing the Solana trading bot with an eye towards the company's profitability. Neither a profit nor a loss is a misrepresentation on Schwartz's part. For the available funds, the trading bot is projected to produce a yield value of 11% annually. Although Schwartz acknowledges that it is premature to suggest that the chatbot's dependability in generating substantial revenues can be acknowledged with absolute certainty, he maintains that such a suggestion is warranted. Among David Schwartz's many noteworthy points is the bot's inadequacy to respond to minor price changes and its unintended lag. Another major roadblock to its overall performance is the effect of trading fees. According to David Schwartz, there are certain parallels between the current tax regime linked with long-term short earnings and the one linked with the bot's short-term operations. What will happen when the bot's engine and the XRP ledger's algorithms square off is anybody's guess at this point. For the methodologies used by market watchers to calculate the quantity of inventories are mostly to blame for this. Because he lacks experience dealing with decentralized AMs, Ripple executive Schwartz is taking a leap of faith into the world of trading bots. A. Schwartz is embarking on this new endeavor. An innovative asset management platform, XRP takes advantage of asset volatility. Further, David Schwartz shed some information on the subject of computerized traders on the XRP ledger with any two supported assets. He thinks the most popular kind of AMS will be those that use XRP because the system was built to prioritize volatility harvesting. Its prediction is based on that. Use this strategy to your advantage when you have assets with a high degree of volatility that are ready to ride out a wave of large expansion. Putting your money into platforms like Kubita might be a wise move in the long run, given the increasing demand for AI technology. KYB is the name of Kubita's consolidated native currency. It is a governance token with a deflationary tendency. Contributing to the token's longevity are features like as a burn mechanism, a fixed supply, and taxes that guarantee its continuous growth. A potential future price hike for Kuba is not out of the question. The firm is also a good long-term investment because of its ambitious growth plans. Just to wrap things up, important cryptocurrencies like XRP and Matic are still very popular. When compared to XRP, which faces a difficult road ahead, Matic seems to be moving in the correct way despite its recent dip. As the presale nears its end, one of the most successful decentralized finance efforts in Quita is preparing to witness significant expansion amongst all this.